Hey guys,
Hey
today
guys.
I'm gonna play Gun Mayhem with my friend Rio. It's another friend instead of last time, and last time it was so crazy. So now we're gonna play with my friend.
No,
My
I'm gonna kill
friend.
you. Hello guys. So we're gonna.
It's called Rio, by the way. Okay.
Oh, in the space, I believe.
It's so
Welcome.
easy to die, man. It's so easy. Actually, and this is like actually kind of slow because they're playing on the spice, you know.
No, you get up. No.
What the hell are you doing?
But at least you don't have another gun.
Oh
This
yeah.
is gun game.
Oh
This gun
crap.
game,
Yeah,
guys.
this gun game. I remember that. This is so slow. We can't really shoot that fast. It's like a challenge, you know.
Woo,
No,
I
this is-
believe. Welcome, sir. Woohoo. Oh no!
Yes. Yeah, this I can
Wow.
do now. I win.
Please, my turn to shoot on you, please once.
No, sorry, man.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You're such a noob.
Yeah.
You're such a noob, man.
Oh yeah.
Such
See
a
this.
noob.
Wait. See
Such a
this.
noob.
See this.
Such a noob. Such
Oh
a
no. See
wow,
this.
you fell throwing at it.
See this. No.
Wow,
No.
not a noob. This guys, this is easy. Okay, crap. No.
Okay, you're gonna see this. No.
Psych,
No. Sorry.
You psych, come on. No. I'm gonna go to my way.
No, yeah.
Yeah. What? I hate you so hard.
I don't care. I believe. No.
No.
Yes.
Oh,
I got
no,
triple
you
gun.
said yes now. What the hell?
Sorry.
Yeah, this is my favorite gun ever in the whole
Oh no.
world.
I'm gonna attack you.
Looks like you're gonna die, sir. Holy shit. No.
No. Yeah.
No.
Wow.
Damn, son.
Yeah. Oh. No. Come on. Be funny. Be funny.
Before what the hell? Psych.
Second.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm the water reanimator, and he's called death reanimator. Okay, I got
Oh.
death. Never mind.
No. I don't get new gun. Oh no.
What the hell,
The
dude?
gun is out of ammo. Okay.
Yay! Oh, this is the best gun I've ever seen in my whole life. Shit. No.
It's futuristic, I think. Oh no.
No.
Oh,
I just died. Lol, bye, son.
Why are you pushing
Damn.
gun? You're not level 5. You're level 5. Oh my god.
Yes. No.
I'm so mad now. I'm so mad.
This is so slow. This is like
I'm
a
saying,
challenge.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad.
You. I killed you.
Oh, damn.
Don't be too much shouty because I'm sleeping.
Okay.
No. Oh my god, what did you get? Okay, shit. No. Ay! Oh, yeah. Aw.
Yes.
Dang it. Oh, let's go. Bye.
Let's go. I'm gonna.
No.
Damn. I shot you. You get.
Oh my god, we're crazy animals right now. Okay, look at this.
Oh.
I could die, dang it, bye. Okay, no. I'm sure someone is behind you there.
Oh no. Someone is. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
Thought so. Okay.
Oh, I thought so.
No.
Yeah, thought so.
Thought
Exactly.
so. Oh,
How? That's worse.
how am I feeling right now? Okay, bye, have a beautiful Damn.
What? You're higher than me.
Psych. Damn, son. I'm
What?
winning. Let's go.
No, you can't win. You can't.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh, what the hell, dude? How are you winning like this? Nuts.
Oh, these nuts.
Gadi, man.
Do you like peanut butter? Because
Peanut
peanuts.
butter jelly bean.
No, like this peanuts. These nuts.
Gadi. Die. Oh,
Oh, that's so close.
That's also close too. You can actually,
No.
you can actually. Oh my god, no!
I just like.
Yeah, the space is helping me to be slow, like a gravity. Holy shit! What the hell? Come back to the space.
No.
Gadi. I think you will win this game, dude. I'm so easy.
There's people behind you.
What the hell, dude? This is so nooby dooby. Like, oh no! Oh, phew. Okay. What did I even click that? Okay. Psych. Let's go.
Mama.
Okay, you died also. Psych. Let's go, dude. No. Oh, phew. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, no, phew.
No. I
This
just
is
like,
so
watch
stupid.
behind you.
Tagat.
Watch behind you.
No. A few. Oh, I'm so. Oh my god. Okay, don't do it again. Huh? Don't do it again.
I mean, why not?
I couldn't. Where are you? It's so.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. I'm just gonna die by myself.
Bye, dude. Okay, I'm gonna let you die because I already. Okay, can you kill me? Only 3 times
Okay.
because
I just
you're
kill you.
losing all the time. Okay.
Oh, yeah, no need to kill her. I'm so pro
Okay,
now.
okay, let's go.
I'm so pro. I'm so
Let's
pro. I'm
go.
so pro. I'm
Let's
so
go.
pro.
Let's go. Psych. Die, son. No shit.
I'm so pro. I told you. No,
You
I
drank your head.
survived. I survived.
You didn't even survive yet. Oh, this is the last. If I kill you, I win, brother.
damn.
You want me to
damn.
kill
Oh,
for free?
damn.
Okay, crap. What the hell are they shooting at? Oh, why not? No, why not? Eee,
Why did you make fun?
I'm gonna go to the sky. I'm gonna go to the earth and you go to the moon forever. Never mind. Damn. Nope. Together we're gonna eat you. I mean, eat you. What the hell? Actually, psych. Let's go. Psych. Let's go. What the hell? No!
Oh, no, I told
I'm
you
a
I'm so
noob.
pro.
Okay. Oh, what the hell? That's what you get. Okay. No. Wait. Okay, so. Psych. Yeah, you lose. Wait. No. I win.
No,
Yeah.
I just failed. Okay, guys, let's play another.
Let's do survival now.
Okay,
And then we'll do
survival.
episode 2 like my friend last time.
Okay,
Okay, so let's do underwater slaughter. Oh,
Okay.
actually, that's good.
okay, let's go.
It's like from ancient Greek, you know, like Sparta vessels. I don't know. No, not me.
Oh, we're partner.
Yeah,
okay.
survival. What the hell?
I just take it from you.
Okay, I'm gonna take this. I can take it now. Oh, it's better than yours.
Okay, and just take
What
it.
the hell is this guy doing? Oh my god, so easy. Oh my god, you're getting shooted.
Oh my god, yeah.
I got the you got the HI power sniper. That's actually good. Psych, let's go. Got the loser SMG. That's fine. At least I got 200 ammo, you know. Why are you not helping me? You're just collecting those boxes like that stuff.
Oh, sniper.
Maria, Maria. Okay, no. Why am I even saying that? Oh, okay. Let's kill this guy.
Let's kill it.
Let's kill this guy. Hey!
Sorry, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, what the hell? Dude, you're not helping me.
No,
Oh my
I don't.
God,
I always
actually
be
hate
small.
I actually hate you know that?
See that?
I'm wasting my ammos, dude.
Me too.
Me
dude.
too. Okay, finally we killed them. Okay, you just killed them now. Oh, I killed them. What the hell?
No, me?
No, I
Okay,
killed.
whatever.
It says 100 plus on me.
No,
Damn, son.
what the heck?
Get that one. Damn, son. Ooh, that's really kind of good.
No. That
Psych! Let's go. Okay. Oh, that's actually better than mine.
No.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna get the
Yeah,
shield.
you. Thank you. No, I'm gonna get the shield.
I got minigun. Woohoo.
Oh my
no.
god! We always do that! Oh yeah, for the... Because my mom is sleeping. Let's do part 2 now. No, I don't know. Okay.
Later.
Yeah, me later. Okay.
In level 6, I think. Okay.
Psych! Let's go. Not maybe level 6 because like only this much.
Level 7?
Okay, we can get it.
Yeah.
Got
levels.
you.
Oh, I get the machine gun. Lucky.
I don't think level 7 gonna be enough for us. Okay.
I'm gonna attack you. Come on, I'm gonna.
Let's go kill this guy.
Oh,
Yes! We killed him.
You go get it.
Okay. What the hell? Level sniper, but actually that knocks hard.
Oh, Speedo. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this one.
Speedo.
Look at this one.
Oh, I'm just dancing. Oh, Gangnam Style. Oh no.
Oh, Gangnam Style.
No. Yeah, no, Mom.
What the hell are you doing? Yeah, yo, damn, son.
No, yeah.
No, oh, yeah.
What? Sucks gun, man. Sucks.
Yeah, I win that guy.
La, la,
Okay, let's do
la.
episode 2. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do episode 2 and bye.